Okay, we today have a Royal Typewriter Quiet Deluxe. Very cool. I want to make sure I can see myself. See this. Super cool typewriter. In pretty good shape. This thing, it's got some grime, and just as anything, I did a lot of cleaning on it, but it still needs a little love, you know. So if you buy it, just know that you'll probably put a little bit more love into it. Model number AG-2591908. Royal Typewriter Quiet Deluxe. This thing is pretty sweet. Got some worn off stuff right there, probably from going in the case. But aside from that, I don't see really a little dirt or something, grime there. Like I said, it's probably been, it does come with a case. I'll show you that probably at the end, or does it really matter? Yeah, gonna be selling this today on Etsy. Let's give it a little type test to see what we got going on. I know people do type tests sometimes at the end, but I'm gonna do it at the front. So starting with the twos. Nope, a little bit of a sticky key. Try that one again. X, slightly sticky. You could do a little whatever. It's not bad. Little gun oil goes a long ways. Now for all caps. Ta-da. Looks like the lines kind of go slightly start high and then go a little bit low to the right. Not sure what that's about. It's probably because the paper's in very crooked. Or I don't know, it's not super crooked. Not sure. It does look like the lines might go slightly, start top left and go down a little bit. Yeah, aside from that, it looks really good. Backspace works fine. I believe this is the ribbon selector, which I love the little imagery of everything. So I'm gonna go to stencil. Now it's going to the right. Now it's going to the left. So yeah, that is the ribbon reversal. You've got stencil, blue, which is the black, and then the red setting. I do not have a black and red, but the red does work if it ever decided. Just goes up higher. You got your touch control in there, 0 to 9. Not sure how much of a difference it makes. You've got your margin release at the end. Oh, the bell does work. So say you're typing and you want to keep going, hit the margin release, keep going. Works fine. Tab works good on this thing. It's got this magic margin. So anywhere you push this and want to go, that's where your margin is. So now it's over, so your margin's there, and then if you want your margin to be somewhere different, hold this down, move it to where you want it, and then that's going to be where the margin is now. So I don't personally love these things, but they do the job. So yeah, so if you wanted to put the margin here, stick it there, and then there's where the margin is. Or wait. I don't know. I don't think they work perfectly. That's going to be my opinion of those. They don't always work the best. So I'm just going to say, if you want to do margin, just move them in here with this. I think it needs a new, what's it called? New spring, or you can sometimes just lube these up, but just to put your margins, just do them manually. That's how I would recommend it anyways. So disregard their fancy magic trademark margin. Disregard that. Who cares? Margins do work, you just have to do them manually. It does have the bunny ears, kind of cool ones. Well, you know, and then you've got this guy. Your line spacings over here, 3 spaces versus 2 versus 1. You can, I think, push this in to move it without being in the clickies. This is, I don't know what that is. Oh, same thing. Versus clicky. You've got your paper release over here if you need to move your paper whenever you put it in. It does not seem very, it works. Let's see how well it works. Yeah, it works good. Just feels really loose. And that's about it. It's a good typewriter overall. I think it'd be a good starter. I'm still not the best at like typing on these, but this has a pretty good snappy action. It's not so, it's good and snappy. But there you go. Hope you guys like it. Hope you like the video. If you decide you want it or have any questions, let me know. Like I said, it does have some grime, and I do remember cleaning these keys, I believe, the type heads, whatever type bars. But yeah, it needs probably, it's in pretty good shape. I give it a, I don't know, 7 out of 10. So hope you guys like that, guys. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Peace.